Hello everyone, I hope you're all fine. If you like my dinosaur animation, the full tutorial will be in the next video. Like for my city pack, today I'm so excited to announce that I have released my Raptor on the Blender market. Yeah, this is the Raptor I use in this animation. I created this beast in collaboration with Ben Giwer, who is a fantastic and talented artist. This Raptor represents hundreds of hours of hard work and we are very proud of the final result. It's a highly detailed and realistic model optimized for the Cycles render engine. Of course, the mesh is already rigged, so ready for animation. And what a rig! You can animate nearly everything. The feet, the body, the tail, the eyes, the iris of the eyes, the tongue, the nose, everything. All you have to do is add a light or a HDRI and here we go. You have a beautiful render to show to your friends or to use in your projects. We also created different levels of details, easy to adjust, so if your computer is not powerful enough, you can lower the multi-res value and still have astonishing results. If you always wanted to have a Raptor at home, or you simply want to support my channel, that would be a great way to do so. And of course, a model like this would easily cost around $150 on any market, but I want it to be accessible for everyone, so the launching price is only $29. As usual, thanks for your time and I see you in my next video for the full tutorial. Take care.